Hi, this is Emmeline for Assignment 8. Let me go ahead and show you my finished product and then we can talk about the code a little. So I've been working on putting together the scene a little for my final project. Obviously this is like a rough first draft, and I'm just going to show you one project today with both the fog and mirrors in it. So here we go. Let me fly around a little. So first let me show you the light reflecting in the mirror. Obviously you can see the textures, and I have a spotlight on the ground specifically to show that the spotlight reflection is correct. The way I'm doing this, I'm not sure if it's right, but I have basically a second light shader. When you create a texture shader now, you also pass in a mirror shader, and when you call the mirror render, it reflects the lights across using the mirror reflection. So I'll show you that code, and then let's also look around at the fog real quick. Okay, so that's all of that stuff. If we go ahead and look at how all this is done, so if we look at the step 3 where you render the reflected objects, I have a special mirror render which takes in the reflection objects and basically renders it again, multiplying the given mirror matrix with this, and it also creates a mirror shader using the current shader. So that takes all of the lights and basically reflects them across the mirror into the reflected scene. And then also for the fog, how I'm turning the fog off right now, where'd it go, is I'm just setting it to really far away. I wasn't sure a better way to do this, so I'm setting it to the biggest value it can be. I wasn't sure if there's another way to do this since it's based on the eye position, and how to make it a value like close to 0, because if I just make it 0, then it fogs out the whole thing. So that's how I'm doing it right now. Let me know if that's wrong. Yeah, and I think that's all for this week. Yeah. Oh yeah, and one more thing. I'm not planning on using mirrors in my final scene, so for the further work question, I obviously didn't do any work. I'll think about it though. But yeah, it doesn't seem like it'd be too difficult to like move this step to its own function, and set up all that in a mirror class. Okay, so yeah, now that's actually all for me.